Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Internet Marketer Training Channel, your go-to source for cutting-edge marketing insights. We're proud to present expert strategies, tips, and tools to help you grow, engage, and succeed online. Whether you're an entrepreneur, content creator, or marketing pro, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and unlock the power of internet marketing. The Internet Marketer Training Channel is proud to present.
Hi all, I'm KAZ, and today I'm sharing a traffic trick I believe you'll find especially helpful. It's all about finding those golden keywords. We never know how a post will perform, but we can easily improve our traffic chances with a free tool called Ubersuggest. The idea is to build content around keywords with good search volume and low competition, using the SEO difficulty score as our guide. For beginners, I recommend at least 1,000 search volume and an SEO difficulty in the green, 35 or less. I usually take my own advice, but for this demo, I expected a high SEO difficulty, likely in the 80s or 90s. So, I decided to continue researching the phrase three little pigs. Here's a gray hat trick. Think of it as competitive research. The next step is to look at the Google search results. Since my content is a video, I clicked on the first video result. The video title was Three Little Pigs, Bedtime Stories for Kids, but the first thing I saw was the view count. Almost 65 million. This is well worth further research. Now for the key takeaways. The video used the phrase Three Little Pigs, which has a green SEO difficulty. And Bedtime Stories for Kids also has good search volume. The success is based on a great keyword and a topic kids love. We haven't even gone past the title, and the results are a huge help. Much success to you, and thank you for watching. Now, make sure you watch your competition's video, look at their hashtags, their keyword-rich description, and even their thumbnail. Both of these essential research steps are built right into the free Ubersuggest tool, also available as a free downloadable extension.
If you are finding value in this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up.
And consider joining the channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I wish you much success.